I realized I retained more length and also grow thicker hair while on cornrow. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you one of my simple treatment that I use to promote my hair growth while on cornrow. So just keep watching this video and do well to subscribe to the channel. Hello guys, welcome back to another hair video. So my first ingredient is aloe vera. I have cut out the unwanted parts and also clean my aloe vera off camera. So here I'm just chopping it into smaller pieces. Aloe vera has great benefits. Aloe vera is a natural moisturizer which helps to hydrate the scalp and reduce flaking and itchy scalp. Aloe vera reduces dandruff, which is caused by dryness and irritation. Aloe vera promotes hair growth because it stimulates new hair growth as well as nourish the scalp and hair follicle. It helps to condition the hair and also strengthen the hair follicle. Aloe vera also helps to reduce tangle and make the hair more manageable. So I went ahead to add my aloe vera into a jar, and I'm going to be introducing the next ingredient, which is a fave on this channel. And my second ingredient is clove. If you're not new to this channel, you already know clove is one of my regular ingredients on this channel because it really helps to promote hair growth. Clove is great for treating hair loss and preventing alopecia. It contains antifungal and antibacterial property that fight against hair loss. It also helps to strengthen the hair follicle. It nourishes the scalp and strengthens the hair from the top to the roots. And the last ingredient is rosemary leaves. If you have the fresh rosemary leaves, you can go ahead and use it. Rosemary leaves contain high levels of antioxidant which help to strengthen hair follicles and boost hair growth. Rosemary adds shine to the hair. It treats dandruff, treats dryness, and also condition our scalp. I went ahead to add hot water and I'm going to soak this overnight so all the ingredients can release all its nutrients into the water. And guys, if you've watched this video to this point, please kindly like this video and subscribe if you're watching without subscribing. So fast forward to the next day, guys, you can see the color of the water has changed. This means all the ingredient has released all its nutrients. So I'm just going to go ahead and strain this. So guys, over here I'm showing you my calendar because I am starting my 1 month hair growth challenge using this treatment. So if you're interested, just go ahead and measure your hair, then write out the days which you're going to be starting your challenge. Currently my hair is 10 inches because I just finished my rosemary water 2 weeks challenge, which I grew 2 inches at the end of the challenge. So a lot of you wanted us to do another challenge and just extend the days, so that's why I'm doing this 30 days hair growth challenge using this treatment. I decided to use very simple ingredient that everybody can easily find. So guys, jump on this challenge with me if you want to retain length and grow thicker hair this 2023, guys. I'm going to be using this daily for the complete 30 days, but I'll also use other treatment between these 30 days. I'm going to be using conditioner, hair butter, hair mask, and some other treatment like that, but this spray is going to be my daily treatment for the complete 30 days. And guys, for those of you that want to join, I am going to be doing my live application every day 8 p.m. Nigerian time on my YouTube channel. So if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure to turn on your post notification so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video or when I come live to apply the treatment. This will serve as a reminder for you to also apply yours, guys. So you can see here I went ahead to oil my scalp. Guys, oiling your scalp is very beneficial. It's going to help you promote thicker hair and also condition your scalp, guys. So just make sure you are following me on this 30 days challenge if you want to grow thicker hair. Let's grow it together, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye, guys.